Hey, what up, chat? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Happy Friday. What's going on, everybody? It's Free Stuff Friday. Welcome to the Lucid giveaway stream. Beatsville, is that you? Did you change your name? Or did YouTube change how they display everyone's handles now, actually? It just shows everyone's like actual. Oh, man. I think they're trying to make it like easier to tag people or something, but they changed it to like everyone's just handle now. Dang, that sucks. It sucks if you have a name that I was calling you and now it's like 47 Aniket instead of Beatsville. Arnesis, what up? Smooth operator, good morning. Jacob, thank you for joining as a member of the channel. You must know that members of the channel get extra raffle tickets when we do giveaways. And today I think that'll come in handy. So if you're a member of the channel, stick around. Your odds of winning a Lucid account raised dramatically. So Jacob, thank you. Botan, good morning. Botan's a member. He knows what's up. Sebastian, good morning. Froggy, hello. Kevin, Tachyon, how you doing? Speaking of members, Dre, what's going on? RX, how you doing? Miguel, Grizz. Nice. Tachyon, you got your bag in the overnight session, 4th green week. GG's, man. That's what's up. Okay, cool. What else we got in here? Parshov, what up? Eddie, happy Capital Preservation Friday. Happy payout day for Eddie. Eddie's been cooking. KDI Lay 22. There's got to be something easier to call you than maybe it's just Katie. Welcome to the stream. Hattie 777. Good morning. Parshov, Eddie, Jacob, what's up? Yeah, they do go back and forth on this. On YouTube displaying the handles or not. Yeah, I hope you find Prop from Gorilla helpful, Katie, there. I just updated Legends because they have a Black Friday sale going on, so I just updated the promotion there. Depict, hello. Digital Nukes, good morning. Philip, how you doing? Jim, what's going on? Golden, how you doing? Barshav, you're not trading today? That's fair enough, man. Smart. Giannis, how you doing? Albert. Aziz, what's going on? Owen, what's up? Chris, how are you going to take points away from Parshav when he said he's not even trading today because he's not feeling it? Gotta give him some points, man. Debargo Saha. Man, there's gotta be something. Gotta be a nickname out of that somewhere I can find. What's up? Good morning. Miguel, you can see us testing 65-70, 65-65, 65-65 for a move up. But tough to go long after seeing that crazy move down. Yeah, I would agree with that. I wouldn't mind seeing a nice little bounce here to the upside. But that was some heavy selling yesterday. Patrick, what's going on? When do you pick giveaway winners? All throughout the stream, we're going to be doing it. I'm not going to do it right at the opening because usually people are busy trying to trade or watch the opening. Dan, as your accountant, you have Parsh 100,000 points without running it through me. I did not approve this transaction. Hey, don't get it twisted, Grizz. You work for me. I can fire an accountant. My nickname is Deb. Okay, perfect, Deb. Welcome to the stream. I mean, look. Based off how many accounts I have to give away and how many of you are usually in here, you have good chances of winning today. So stick around. We'll give them out in batches. You know, we'll give them all away. All right. Let's have a great session. Friday rules in effect.
This is all wet and slick and it's ready to go.
My day yesterday was good. Right after stream, I just shorted with one mini for the tick accounts. Made back my $200 loss I had on stream and ended up 600 on, all 15 accounts. 10 tick, 5 Lucid. So it was very good. Obviously, when it sells off 1,100 points, though, then you're thinking, man, you're thinking about all the what if I did this and that? And what if I, what if I just shorted 3 micros on my personal account? That would have been so much. Blah, blah, blah. You start getting in your head about it. Well, I could have really ran tick accounts up there. Like, there's no consistency rules, so I could have really just jacked my balance way the F up there and pretty much locked in a payout. You start thinking about all those things, but in general, it's very, if you don't think about just picking up pennies in front of a steamroller, then it's great. You did fine, so it's all good. All right, so we have this little supply zone we're opening up at on NASDAQ here, this little 1 hour supply zone. Got a more interesting supply zone on ES 6606. Today we have PMI quarter till the hour, so about 14 minutes we have PMI, and then we have top of the hour University of Michigan sentiment. What's my bias? I assume my bias for today. I try not to go into the day with too much of a bias. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce here. That the selling was strong, however, so it has to be respected. Let's just wait and see what kind of information the opening session, the opening 15 minutes gives us. Yeah, PMI, University of Michigan sentiment, yep. Turbo is saying go, I'm telling you, short now, and then buy again at 24.038. 24.038. Okay, so like a sweep of PDL. That's what you're looking for. Well, as you probably know, I gotta trade my own trades here. I've done trading chat trades just for fun, and there's nothing like, you just gotta trade your own trades, You see no one trades on Black Friday or people are home. Yeah, it's a half day. I'm not gonna trade it, that's for sure. It's gonna take some time off, we don't gotta trade every day. Hang out with some family, do whatever. But yeah, no trades for me. I don't trade half days, I think I did it maybe once and it was no good. Yeah, of course, bro, but mark my words. Yeah, no, I hope you make money off your analysis. I really do. I think that'd be awesome. If you can call something out like that and profit from it, that's what trading's all about. That's sick. That'd be great. Got to make a trading viewers trades only video with sim account, but clickbait with real money account. Wait, what? You're saying I say it's real money, but it's actually just paper on TradingView? Yeah, that sounds fun. You're done for the day? No. You gotta trade your analysis, man. Come on, Turbo. Oh, a video where you trade viewers trades. I was thinking you said TradingView. I got you. Yeah, trading chats trades. Yeah, that'd be interesting. I remember years ago, Trades by Matt did that, but it's too hard. There's like a, the delay in this, the latency, I guess, in the stream, and like the way, I think it was like voting. I don't remember, but it was like too hard to manage trades like that. Get out, Twinkie. Don't hate yourself after yesterday. You got in at 244, sold at 233 because of all that chop, and walked away with $4 profit. Bro, I know. That's the problem with a day like yesterday is you start thinking about all that shoulda, coulda, wouldas because it was such a massive move. And you think about all the money left on the table. You go on social media, you see someone made $100,000 yesterday, and you're just like, what was I doing? Why do I do that? Dude, no, man. You clicked a few buttons and you made $400, man. That's amazing. Doesn't matter what the market did. And it was it was not easy. It was not easy to catch. You know, we the live stream. You know, I didn't catch any. We ripped up. I didn't catch it. You know, and then we started ripping down. I wasn't catching it. I didn't feel good about like not like seeing all that movement and not catching it either. You know, man, it wasn't. In my opinion, it was not easy. I think a lot of people got wrecked. You know, yesterday. So if they're probably not blasting, you know, saying out loud on social media. Maybe a few people are, but that they did get wrecked. But I think plenty of people did. And the vast majority who did trade and didn't get wrecked, they probably made a few $100, like you and like me, and that's fine. It's a successful day. Then obviously, you know, we want to, you know, find ways to improve, find ways to take advantage of days like yesterday. So, because in the future, you can really profit from that, and that could be a large majority of your yearly trading earnings can come from just a handful of days. I'll bring out my scanner here. Beep. $2.99. Yeah, no, it's a barcode. Deb, you made $300 on your Symphony yesterday? Nice. Jeez. Did this crash because of some bug or something on Bitcoin? I don't think so. I mean, I haven't really looked at Bitcoin, but I don't, you know, I think we were due for a correction. I'm sorry, did someone forget to turn on the markets? Oh boy. Well, you know, I'd say right now let's keep in mind the higher time frames. To me, it looks pretty bullish, just for a little bit of a bounce. You know, break it higher, just consolidation here at the highs. To me, that looks good for a continuation up. Maybe we do a little sweep down first. Yeah, it could be a bull trap, Turbo. Yeah, I agree. Could get a little pop. Could get a flush. You were saying what, 30? What level were you saying? Sweep a PDL, right? So somewhere down there. You could do something crazy like that. Not that vertical though. $7:30 Eastern. When you see a large candle, 7:30 Eastern. What is that? 7:30 Central is usually news. 7:30 Eastern would be 6:30 my time. Oh yeah, that large candle. Well, there's no other session that I know of. I'm not sure what that candle would be exactly. I'm not sure if it was. We had some people chatting early in the morning. I don't know. If we don't do something soon, I'm gonna have to run a giveaway here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Trading Academy, what up? How you doing? All right, here's VWAP, guys. Everyone too scared to trade after yesterday? Yeah, maybe. You know how many times I've watched your new vid? I keep on getting recommended it. Nice. 3 to 4 times. I appreciate it, man. All right. A little buy up off VWAP so far. 200 level. Good morning, Juan. How you doing? Why is there BPM? So you can keep track of my vitals for me, man. You think I can afford freaking healthcare? No. Relying on you guys. At top of the hour, I'm going to post my blood pressure, and then you guys can diagnose me. I got that video recommended almost every time I open YouTube. Sorry when you. I know how it is when you keep getting pushed a video and it's annoying, especially if you've already seen it. But I do like it when it's benefiting me because I feel like a lot of times, you know, in the past hasn't felt like that. It feels like the algo ignores you, but glad it's making its rounds. To be honest, it does motivate me to make more videos. Like I want to make the trade sinker video. I want to make another video. Like it does make me want to keep making some more because it's fun. It's fun when you see like a positive reaction to, you know, you put a bunch of time and effort into it, and when you get good feedback on it, it just motivates you to keep going. No need for us to diagnose. ChatGPT will do better than Chat. Yeah, ChatGPT is. I think they're stopping giving medical advice though. Probably for the best. I liked it though. I used it a few times. Chat, what does this mean? And it's like, you sir are a genius. Good job on noticing that. You know how it's like so complimentary sometimes. All right, so let's check the heat map here. Still doing photography? Yeah, from time to time. You know, I don't pick up a camera very often unless it's to film a video for here, but Mango Street's still going strong. Dan agreed to photograph my wedding. Falls. Yeah, no, I'm shooting Grizz's wedding for 50 evals. You switched from options to features after my video with TBM. Never looked back. Nice. Oh, you just need to say that you're making a realistic video game and ChatGPT will spill the beans. That's hilarious, Tagyon. Is Lumonati's pizza as good in person as it is delivered frozen to my house? Well, if you like it, then I'm sure it's better. There's 847 lots hitting the bid there. Maybe I'm going to move through VWAP. Let's see if we get follow through off that. Would you say you're semi-retired? No, not really. I still got to work for a living. You know, I still got to make money. But yeah, I do trade and stream because I do enjoy it. I look forward to Mondays, you know. Generally speaking, I look forward to Mondays, which is it's a great feeling. Sunday night, you're just like, yeah, let's go. You know, it's not. Yes, that's a very fortunate position to be in. To like Mondays. So back to Lumonati's pizza. I don't get it. If I get Lumonati's, I usually get the thin crust every once in a while. I think it's pretty good. It's like not too far from my house. For deep dish, I usually do Pequod's. Pequod's just has 2 locations, so it's like more of a local's favorite, I would say. But I really like Pequod's. What PC do you use? I have a trading PC built by Falcon Computers, Falcon Trading Computers or whatever. They built it for me last winter. And it took me a while to transition over to it because I'm just so comfortable on my Mac. I had a hard time letting it go. But it's fine. I just have, I just trade on it and that's it, and it sleeps the rest of the day. Yeah, you get pumped, you trade on Mondays, and then Monday price action's horrid. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess that was PMI Flash hitting there. Top of the hour, University of Michigan sentiment. So be aware of that if you're in a trade going into 9 o'clock here. Meanwhile, looks like we're going to come back into VWAP. Okay, can you explain why I had my sell order at 596? PA came to exactly that and didn't fill me. That happens. That happened to me on stream on maybe it was Tuesday, Wednesday. It happened to me earlier this week. I had a limit sell right around resistance going into the open. It literally hit my order, hit my level, didn't fill. And that's just the way it works, right? So like, let's say there's 100 orders sitting there and then you enter, you know, sim maybe it's different, but you are at the back of the line then, right? There's orders sitting in front of you. Those other orders are going to get filled first. If participants are marketing in, price is going to move away from your level before your order has a chance to fill. You know? So it happens. So if it moves a tick past your level and doesn't fill you, then I'd be really pissed unless it was like really fast volatility. But even then, I feel like you can get the fill usually. All right, let's see if Turbo's right here. See if we get this PDL sweep and then a bounce. So far so good. PC better for most everything. Yeah, you know, people say that, but to me, it's about the user experience, right? And trust me, I've spent. Again, I've mentioned this a lot, but I love Windows XP. Like, I felt like a freaking expert on that thing. So I'm not just like a Mac fanboy by any means. But to me, the user experience and just being on a Mac is better. Like, I enjoy it more than being on a PC. And at this point, just because I've been on a Mac for so long, I am pretty slow on a PC. Like, I'm just kind of slow getting around. Miguel, you got your long 55, 65? Or sorry, 65, 65? Hope that works out, man. That was a interesting call there. Came into the 100 level here. So it's 100 level, 90-minute demand. Then we have PDL all right around here. So pretty interesting level for sure. I think a strong reclaim of VWAP, I would be interested. $456 lots hitting the bid there. There we go. Nice trade, Miguel, man. You're crushing it lately. Great to see. We got a good bit of people in here today. I hope you're here for my freaking very chill yet engaging stream, but also Lucid giveaway accounts. Those are pretty juicy. We'll start the first giveaway here shortly. I got 20 accounts to give away, so I can't waste too much time. Otherwise, I'll be here all day. All right. Yeah, I'd be interested in the long. See how this candle closes. See if I can get a little pullback. Is my clock wrong? Is my data delayed? The candle should have closed out like 10 seconds ago. Ah, Rhythmic is delayed, chat. Holy crap. That could have really ruined things. Carmine mentioned this too. That his Rhythmic was delayed, I think. I think I got to connect to a different gateway. That could have really trashed my trade there. Man. Dude, why do I have so many Rhythmics open? Yes, get out of here, man. Jeez. What the hell? Uh-oh. Am I missing my entry? Kind of. I was interested in buying around here. I don't have copy trading set up without Rhythmic, so I can't really grab it. Maybe these I could. All right, 446 on Lucid. Okay. that was nerve-wracking. Those were set up to copy trade, so I did that really quick. Got 22 points really fast, 23 points. Ah, jeez. A little dicey. Okay, let's make sure nothing's delayed on here. Why Frankfurt? Just last time I had issues with the Chicago Gateway, I switched, and Frankfurt was fine. So I didn't see where that candle closed out, but by the way, forgot it. That's for the last trade. Cross trade, 5 minis, micros, not minis. That'd be crazy. Let's double check trade copier working. Okay. Okay, gotta make sure this candle closes out correctly here on the minute mark. Should close out right now. Okay, good. Yeah, it has been very volatile lately. It's not just you. It's been volatile. All right, grab the long there. Five micros. Boom. All right. That's really all I need for tick tick. I just need to lock in. Yeah, it's times 10. 254 times 10. Gotta lock out. Close that out. Oh, I forgot. This was also trading. I also set this up with the copy trader. So 700 on. Oh, let me adjust this. 700 on Lucid. That was also set up with a copy trader, and I forgot I did that. Sweet. That was very fast. But I'm pretty much done for the day now. I can focus on giving away accounts. That's fun. All right, let's do the first giveaway here, guys. Those are some fast trades. I don't normally trade that fast, but there's really fast reactions off of my entry. I'm not dicking around, you know. Might as well just grab that and freaking, it's Friday. Like, what am I doing? All right, this first one's gonna be simple. We'll pick a few winners here for the first giveaway. Exclamation point gorilla in chat to be entered. 50K Lucid account, Lucid test. Members are gonna get like 6 raffle tickets or something instead of 1. So if you're a member of the channel, you get that little bonus. Trading the same trades a few days. Nice. Is that you, Jasper? Go, it says go guy. So very nice move there. I know. Let's see. Miguel's eating good on that one. He's probably already out. He's probably already on his extra long weekend. Yeah, that was really fast, really clean. What I try to do when I see 250 bucks on those tick accounts, I try to just trail instantly. There's nothing worse than seeing your profit target, your daily goal hit for the day, and then giving it back. I think this is day number 6 on tick. So I really only need I think 4 more days then, $250, and I'll get a payout. That'd be pretty sweet. Lucid, I gotta lock out of Lucid too. There's a consistency rule there that I don't really want to. 600, about 650 is my goal on Lucid, so I'll be done with that one as well. All right, so make sure you enter the raffle. I'm going to pick more than one winner on this one. I might pick like 5, who knows? I'm crazy like that. So came into the 1 hour supply zone, FYI. Just passed another Apex. Nice job, Mike. What's crazy is if I held my last long, I'd be up massively. Only reason I got out was because my trading today has been shit. Yeah, man. That's what's hard is when your previous trades for the session start affecting your like current trades or your future trades, you know? It's hard. It becomes harder to trade when you're already a little red, you know? Yeah, there's a raffle here. Dan, you ever try to copy Funded Next accounts? Not yet. I haven't traded Funded Next yet. I'm going to trade Funded Next. I'm going to trade Funding Ticks. Maybe Earn to Trade. I'm going to do a few others. Alpha features a lot of people want me to try, so. Oh, you know what account I do have to trade, though, is Features Desk. I forgot to trade Features Desk yesterday, which kind of sucks because it was like, there's plenty of money to be made, and I just completely forgot to trade it. That's the downside of having a little too much going on. Just forget things like that. So, Features Desk is the other account I'll look to grab. Base hit is 250 again, I think was my base hit out here. So. Okay, chat, you have a minute and a half left to join this raffle about. I'm looking forward to giving these away. Lucid's fun to trade. You know, I got funded with them in one day when we had volatility. I think it was Wednesday. Then started trading funded Thursday. Or no, Tuesday. I think I passed. Then traded Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Friday. So I got 2 more days on Lucid to then request a payout. As long as I can pass my buffer and then have enough money to withdraw. Be in good shape there. Here's my little calendar PL for Lucid. These are 5 accounts. 35% consistency rule and funded. So chugging along nicely. Debating on if I should quit for the day after getting $300. A little short of my goal. Okay, well, here's what I always say. If you're reading the market well, you want to continue participating, just size down. Do half size, quarter size, third size. Just size way down. And that way you'll feel good about continuing to, you know, participate and ideally profit from the markets without really risking too much of your profit, right? So let's say you take another trade, small size, and it's a loss. Go ahead and call it. You know, you end the day up 250 or whatever. That's fine. That's what I would do. Okay, raffle is closed. We'll do more. Don't worry if you didn't get in on this one. I'm going to pick a bunch of winners. Literally, I have 20 accounts to give away today. So stick around. The first winner, okay, and also real quick, the winner is going to then message me on Discord. If you're not in our Discord, it's free. ! Discord in chat will give you the link. You join the Discord, find me, message me, stick around the YouTube chat and let me know that you're here and that you did message me, and I'll send you the code, okay? That's how it works. The first winner is Tachyon. GG's Tachyon, and Tachyon's a member, so Tachyon got extra raffle tickets there. Tachyon got 7 raffle tickets. Jacob got 7 raffle tickets. Botan, did Botan enter? Botan would have gotten 7 raffle tickets if he entered. Rigged.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Thank you. Appreciate teaming me up like that. All right, let's pick another winner. So Tachyon, you're gonna message me on Discord, right? Another winner, Golden. Golden won. Golden's a lucky son of a bitch. Golden won earlier this week. Yo, it pays, man. It pays to stick around this stream here. Oh, Don, if you got confirmation, then you're in. Oh yeah, I see you. You got your 7 tickets. Golden's gonna message me. Golden's gonna get another Lucid count. Pays to be a winner, and it pays to be in my stream. Let's pick another winner. Gavin. Gavin, did you win before? I feel like I've given one to a Gavin before, and there's not a ton of Gavins in my life. Gavin, hey, what?
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Gavin, you're gonna message me on Discord, and you have to tell me in YouTube chat that you did it, and we're gonna verify. So you're not gonna pull one over on old D here. We'll say it was tempting to short that 200 little bear flag of sorts there. All right, let me start giving out these codes, and I'll pick a couple more. Okay. Just want to make sure I don't get too lost in the hubbub here. Mike, thank you for joining as a member of the channel. I hope the odds are ever in your favor. So Gavin, you're gonna message me still. Tachyon, you're gonna message me on Discord. I don't think I've gotten your message yet, Tachyon. So there's PDL there, hit on NASDAQ. All right. You made 200 on one micro? Wow. I mean, that's pretty good. Mayan, there's gonna be more giveaways, man. Don't worry. This one's closed, but I have 17 more accounts to give away, and I'm gonna pick a winner right now. Boom. Tyler. Tyler's a winner. Man, we got so many freaking winners here. It's crazy. This chat has so many winners. Look at all this buying coming in here. Interesting. Rigged.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Celestial, Camel, you want one more? All right. All right, we'll pick one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Jose. Jose's a winner. All right, Jose, congratulations. All 5 of yous. You need to message me on Discord. How the F do I get tickets? You just look at the chat. So Daniel Keep Trades is the chat bot, right? So he says, you know, enter to win. You know, type !gorilla to enter to win.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Sorry if you got kids in the room, but it's worth it. Okay, so I still have 15 more codes to give away. So if you didn't win here, then don't worry, we'll do another one. All right, Gavin, you messaged me. Let me give Gavin a code. This is actually admin-wise. I could use an assistant here. So Gavin, you're gonna get. Ow. Oh, Grizz. Trying to goof me here. Not gonna work. You don't type in exclamation point gorilla now. It's not an active raffle, guys. That was just how you do it. Future facing. There's not an actual raffle going on right now. We just finished one. All right, Tyler, you're up next, buddy. Tyler, gotta give Tyler his code. He says, guess it's not rigged after all. It's not rigged when it's in your favor, you know? All right, Tyler's taken care of. Okay, who else we got? We got, I still need Tachyon's message. Dang, Trader Joe, I'm about to have to freaking ban you, dude. We don't have a giveaway going on right now, guys. Just hold off. Hold off. Sour ABH Trader. There's got to be a better name for that. Thank you for joining as a member of the channel. I'm just joking too, Trader Joe. Back at you. All right, bunch of jokesters here. Tachyon, Golden. Oh, Jose. Jose, you're here, right? Otherwise, I gotta pick someone else. I haven't heard from Jose yet. Jose DeFrank. Last call for Jose, or I'll pick another winner. Let me guess. Rachel's also gonna win. SMH. I knew Dan was a furu. Hey, I didn't say anyone from my household can't win. Botan, your English name is Jose? That's not an English name, bro. That's funny as hell. There's Jose DeFrank. Yeah, you won, buddy. Send me a message on Discord. Tachyon, you need to DM me too. How else am I going to give you your code? Do you guys not listen when I talk? I'm starting to think no one listens when I talk. I'm not talking for my own health. I'm not talking because I love talking so much. Is Project X still valid? It is. You can trade until February, and even that they'll give you the ability to transition to like Trade Evade or something. Yo, what up, Matt? Did I win? I was on a work call. No. Well, I get 7 tickets too. Look, because I had some members join here wanting to get more raffle tickets, I'll do another Streamlabs one, but we're also going to do some other giveaways. Like, not just Streamlabs, okay? That's a lie. When Dan gets drunk, you can't shut him up. I am chattier when I'm more socially lubricated in that sense. Well, look here. Let's see if we put in a high or low here. We do have a lot of orders, limit orders sitting here around the 100 level on NASDAQ. I kind of want to see us just push overnight highs here. I bet the better zone would be all the way up here. I don't know if we got the juice for that right now, but that'd be the better move in my book. So maybe one last test of the lows. Wait, is the giveaway done? Only 5 of the 20 accounts are given away yet. So don't worry. We got more to get through. I'm going to be a busy guy. There's Evan. Evan, I was wondering where you were, man. He messaged me every time. Hi, I'm Jose. Give me an account, please. Freaking goofball. So I still need Jose and Tachyon. Thinking I'll do another giveaway and give away a PS2. Just seeing you type in P2W. Makes me think about, what if instead of giving away a Lucid test, I give away a PS2? I'll have to go to Goodwill and buy one first, but it could be fun. Oh man, I got mods DMing me trying to get accounts from me. Oh jeez. My own mods. This is a crazy world we live in. All right, Jose, I'm pretty sure I got your DM, but just verify you sent me the DM, Jose, in chat here. So just verify here in chat that you did send me a Discord message. Dan, you still game? My wife just bought me a PS5. Not really. I just plugged in my Xbox for the first time. Okay, I didn't even know where the power cord was for my Xbox, so I had to borrow a power cord from something else. That's how long it's been since I plugged in my Xbox. But I played some NHL 22 with my buddy. That's like the last one we were playing. We'll do a raffle here, and then we'll do another raffle here shortly. Just we just finished one. I got to get the codes out to everybody, and people don't really listen when I talk, is what I'm realizing. So it's hard to communicate. Like, for instance, Jose, in YouTube chat, I need you to verify that you sent me a Discord DM just so I don't give codes to the wrong person. You want my Final Features giveaway? We'll do one. We'll do one. I could probably set one up for next week or something. Nah, Tachyon, I think you have to change your permissions. Can someone in chat help Tachyon real quick? Because I don't remember. We had someone else had this issue, but obviously I get DMs from people I don't know all the time, so I think it's on your side, honestly. Okay, Jose, I got you, man. Let's get you the code. And then we'll wait on Tachyon. I'll reserve this code here for Tachyon. And we'll give away some more. How about that? That's fun. We have fun here. Making some money, giving some shit away. Good stuff here. Good stuff. All right, guys. We'll do one more raffle here in Streamlabs. Not just wait a second. Wait a second here. Okay, go. Raffle's live. Exclamation point gorilla. We'll give away some more. You got 5 minutes to enter. Exclamation point gorilla. If you're a member, you get bonus tickets. It's my way of saying, I thank you so much. You're so awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Chat is blasting off right now. Everybody wants them Lucids. Oh, man. We're having fun. All right, still looking for an opportunity on Futures Desk here. I want to see a bounce here. Not sure we will or not, but I'm gonna try it here. Not seeing a ton of signs of support just yet, but small size, 3 micros. Selling one there. Sell another. 1 micro left. Boom. $168 there on 3 micros. Nice reaction. About 40 points off my entry there. Pretty sweet. Meanwhile, you guys are all entering the Lucid giveaway. That's great to hear. Great to see, rather. I'm not really hearing much. Do you guys want to know why exclamation point Gorilla? Well, in case you've been living under a rock, it's because my site, Prop from Gorilla, is the best site to compare prop firm plans from over 19 different. Well, there's 19 total, so not over 18 different prop firms, 19 prop firms. So, for instance, Lucid, you can see Lucid rules here. DCA, bots, microscoping, VPN, 10 plus accounts, all that. Whether, you know, what they allow, what they don't. So, for instance, the microscoping, there's a note here. More than 50% of your profits can't be generated from trades held for 5 seconds or less. So that's just like the note there on there. Oh, I'm on Do Not Disturb. Hang on. Let me change that. Try again, Tachyon, see if that works. If not, we can do it via email if you want. It's just kind of sloppy. So anyways, what makes this site better than all those other jokers out there is you can pick any firm on here and compare it to Lucid's. You know, you can compare up to 5 firms at a time. You could compare the specific plan, right? So we'll do like 50K direct from Lucid, or not the direct. Let's do the test, 50K test, and we'll do like the core on My Fun Features. We'll do the growth on Tradeify. Compare them, get a side-by-side table of, you know, everything you need to know about them, and then you could click the toggle at the top, switch to the funded rules, see the funded rules, right? See how they're paid out, etc., etc. It's really helpful. I use it personally all the time because I have a hard time keeping track of everything. And then when you want to buy it, just use the link, and then you can use the code to support the site, right? So you can copy the code right there. It's oftentimes Gorilla or Dan, just kind of depends, but that is the way to support the site and my efforts there, keeping it up to date, and it's a ton of work that goes into it. So I do appreciate, you know, if you do use the code or the link, much appreciated. And let me know if there's anything else you want to see added to the site. I'm gonna work on like CFD firms and stuff at some point, but I hope you guys get a lot of use out of it. All right, well, there's a sweep of PDL. We tapped it before. Here's the actual sweep. There's large 500 something orders there hitting the ask. All right, Tachyon, I think I see you there, so I can message you. All right. All right, Tachyon, you get my message? How many accounts do you have in total? Well, for fundeds, I got 10 Ticks, and I got 5 Lucid Pro accounts. Yeah, I really like the direct comparison on there. I think it's super helpful. All right, Tachyon. Let's get you set up here with the code and the link, yada, yada. Yeah, I like that sweep of PDL. Turbo was saying, right? Isn't this what you're interested in Turbo for the long? I think it's a good move here. Don't think I received a ticket. You probably did, man. Let's see. Yeah, I got you in here, bud. You got a ticket. Real Story Channel, yep, you're in there. I would say Streamlabs is good at not missing anybody. for the most part. But yeah, raffle's closed now. Jana, are you in? No, you're not in. Here, get in real quick. Let me resume entries. Get in. Exclamation point gorilla. Get on in there. Exclamation point gorilla. You got like 5 more seconds. Anyone who didn't get in, exclamation point gorilla, get in there. Most of you are already in, so I'm seeing a lot of people enter who already are in. So don't worry about it if you already entered. If you already entered, you're good. This is for people who missed it. I got 122 people in already, so most of you are in. Just if you just came in late or forgot to enter, this is your last chance. I'm closing it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's closed. It's closed. No more entries. No more entries. Look at this heat map here. Another 500 lots there hitting the ask. It's possible that the bot got just so bogged down with everybody entering at once that you didn't see the message. Yo, it's G-Man. Yeah, you're in there, man. I got you in there, so you're good. I think for this one, maybe I could do a wheel spin. No, because it won't do the tickets. All right, we'll do a wheel spin on the next one. Probably. I think that'll be fun. You only need to enter once, yeah. All right, the winner is KZ Advisory. KZ Advisory, congrats on winning the Lucid test. It's not.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Turbo, I know that's what we were talking about it, and there's a perfect hit of the trend line I have drawn here too. That was a very nice move. I like it. I would probably even enter. I just maybe like 1 or 2 micros, you know, just to see if I can make my $250 I'm trying to make here. I'm up 168 on the features desk. All right, you're here. Okay, KZ, make sure you message me on Discord. That is how I'm going to give you the code. Message me on Discord. Let me know you did. Let's pick a few more winners. FFF Lover, 1267. Funded Features Lover? I don't know. FFF Lover. GG's. Let me know you're here in chat, and then send me a message on Discord.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
How many winners are there? There's gonna be 20 total today. We're gonna do another one another way. We're not gonna do exclamation point gorilla for the next one, so don't worry about it. All right, message me on Discord too, okay? And let's pick another one. Connorm? Vikas, you're gonna have to wait for the next one. We just finished 2 giveaways back to back essentially, so just hang out for a sec. We'll do more. We got more codes to give away. No, I already gave out 5 plus 8. There's 12 codes left. All right, make sure you message me then. Okay, I got you there. Let's see. That's FF Lover. Okay. Again, could really use an assistant here to handle all this for me. Okay, we'll get you taken care of there, bud. I see you. Hey, Dan. But Dan, I was supposed to have an early Friday. Can you just give me one and not tell them? Shh. They're counting. They're counting how many I'm giving out. All right. Who's the next person in my DMs here? KZ, let me know when you message me. Who else? Oh, Connorm. Connorm, are you here? Am I not saying your name right? C-O-N, Norm, 1185. Connorm 85, 1185. Oh, okay, I got you. Just, you got a message in the YouTube chat too, so I know that you're not just trying to... I mean, look, other than the mods, I've had no one really mess with that, try to claim a prize that's not theirs, because we have an honest chat here. But it does help if you respond there. So I got you, Connorm. You're good. I'll send you the code here in a sec. All right, you should be all squared away there. Trade well, everybody. I will say, you may be tempted just to kind of YOLO, because it's a free account. There's 1 day pass. Botond, he won a Tradeify growth account, and he got a payout. He got 2 payouts, I think. From a free account. So if you take it seriously and trade well, I mean, you can get a payout. That's infinite return. You didn't pay anything for it, so it's infinite return. And how sweet would that be to get a payout from a free account? That'd be so cool. So, you know. All right, KZ Advisory, let me know when you message me on Discord. You got 2 payouts in blue this week. Hey, still, man, that's awesome. Like, I don't know, man. You get 2 payouts. I don't really. After that, you blow the account. Like, who cares? You know, I don't know. You got your money out of it, I think. So that's how I feel, but maybe that's the wrong attitude to have. Okay, KZ Advisor, I got you. Let's get set you up with your code, and then we'll be all caught up, I think. We're just giving out. I hope you guys like Lucid. I've liked Lucid so far. Miguel said they pay out super fast. I'm looking forward to getting a payout from them next week. Knock on wood. Do I need to have a Lucid account to redeem the codes? No, not like you don't need to have one ahead of time. You can just use the coupon code at checkout, just like you normally would, you know? So, which Lucid accounts do you trade? Yeah, 50K. Yeah, I got 50Ks. 50K tests is what I got. I passed them in a day when we had that nice volatility on, what day is it? I don't know. What, Tuesday? And then I just finished day 3 here. For the XP, nice. You just passed your MFFU core. Well done. Nice job, Sour. Great. Critic, no, I still got a ton of giveaway codes here. I have 12 left. I just honestly, I just need a break. We'll do it. We'll do more. We got another hour left on the stream. And I feel a little winded. No, but do I need to go through the entire KYC? I mean, it's just like any other prop firm based in the US. So as far as I know, Lucid will, I don't think I've done a KYC with them yet, but I think on payout, I probably will. Their payout platforms, you know, are more stringent regulatory wise, I think. So it's possible they'll have you do KYC there. Also double check if you're from a country that often is not, you know, is often banned by prop firms. You can go to Prop Firm Gorilla and you know, filter by countries that, or by firms that allow your country. So if you're from, we'll do Kenya because that's where Parshop's from. You can see which ones allow Kenyan traders. So if he wins the Lucid account, I think I'll have to pick another winner, or I'll give him an Apex account or something instead. You can also go to Lucid's page here and just search your country. Make sure that it's, you know, allowed. So let's say you're from Saudi Arabia. No, it's not restricted, so you're good. How much you bench? That's a question for Grizz. Lucid is a new prop firm. Yeah, they're less than a year old, but they're paying out. I like the experience so far. I don't have any complaints yet. More large orders now hitting the bid here on ES. Let's see if we bounce here. If this bounce fails, I would look for us to break 24,000 and move on down to potentially overnight lows at 904. So let's see if this bounce fails out or not. The next giveaway will be announced before too long. I just need to catch my breath here. I don't want to completely ignore the charts. Jose, a different Jose one actually, man. Jose DeFrank one, I think, not Jose Carlos. As soon as you look at the chart, your BPM goes higher by 10. That's hilarious. Wait, you're still taking trades? Well, I would like to make an extra like $70, $80 on the features desk. I already answered your question, dude. You got to go in timeout now. I answered your question. If you're not going to listen to me when I talk, then don't ask questions in chat. Sorry. That's just annoying. Don't spam chat. You stick to NQ only? Yeah, 98% of the time. The other 2% maybe I'll trade at ES trade. I am looking for this to break again, just to reiterate what I was saying earlier. ES is looking pretty gnarly, pretty gross. I would look for a failure here. Yeah, these bars are tiny. Like I was just trading 3 micros and it was just really fast, and I was up, $170 on 3 micros seems like a ton. And it was really fast. All my trades here were less than like 20 seconds today. It's just kind of nuts. To me, it's like a see money, take money kind of thing here. Isn't the drop in ES an overreaction from NVIDIA? I don't know. There was kind of hawkish FOMC minutes as well yesterday, which I don't think the market loved. The market's just been on a heater, for a while, so I feel like that did seem like 1,100 points or whatever in one day is obviously bananas. So yeah, we're gonna get this break now. I kind of want to short to 24,000. I don't really love shorting the lows so much, but that is what I'm looking for. Short to 24K. It's not that far away now. Did you know yesterday was the longest recorded move in NASDAQ ever in one day? I did not know that. That's wild. All right, 24K incoming. You guys are arguing about it. Maybe it wasn't. Where'd you rank Lucid? Yeah, they're a little too new for, it's kind of hard if you're putting your reputation on the line, saying a firm is good or not good, and then they shit the bed. Like, imagine like a year and a half ago, and I'm like, yeah, fast track funding, they're A tier, and then you look like a freaking idiot. So that's why I'm like, well, let's make sure you stick around for a while, and then I'll rate you. But no, so far, based off of my current experience and the people I know in chat here, I rank them pretty highly. Like, I would say right now they're currently A tier. And let's just see if, you know, as long as they can continue, keep doing what they're doing. Max payout on Lucid. So for account size, I screenshotted this the other day so I can pull it up here for reference. Didn't I screenshot it? Where is it? I thought I screenshotted it. Maybe I didn't. I just had to pull it up. We can just go to their site, Lucid Trading. So there's the break at 24K. I wish I would have shorted like I was talking about. That would have been kind of a very no drawdown, easy kind of trade there. Finish out the profit goal there, but that's all right. Next level underneath that, you know, we do have the 900 level. We do have this 950, which is a swing low there. Maybe you could add AMX payout to your site, the Gorilla one. What's AMX? For a payout method, I just put the ones that are listed by the prop firm, you know. I'm just going off their information they get, you know. Oh, max payout. Sorry. Okay. I was so confused. I was like, is that American Express? What is that? Max payout. Yeah. So what I was doing was a sim funded. What's like their max on sim funded? So it'll be like a payout cap. I think 10,000 is where you start getting considered for live. That's why I put that one there for Take Profit Trader. Like My Fund of Futures, they have an account with a 100K payout cap. So not all of them, like I can't find that, like not every firm publicizes that information. Like they don't, some of them don't have like hard numbers, but yeah. Want to filter by account size. Jose, someone else mentioned this. I want to know why that's helpful to you. Because maybe I just don't get it. But like, you know, like every firm, like, are you really, to me, I do like a top down kind of approach, right? Like, I'm like, what do I want to trade? Where can I trade it? You know, do I want intraday? Do I want instant funding? So I start with like what I want, and then I look at like, do I want 1 day pass? Maybe I'm looking to pass like on a high volatility day. I don't need instant funding then. But I do want EOD, right? So then I'm going to compare, like I'm going to, you know, pick up to 5 firms to compare, right? At a time. So I could just compare all of these minus one of them. Compare, and then I'm just going to pick the plan I want. So the 50K, you know, let's just say like kind of like the main 50K accounts from all these. So I'm just going to do it like this. Just like, because like by account size, like every firm has like the same sizes almost. Some have the 25K, some skip like a 150K. But like, you know, do you know what I mean? Like they all have like the same 50K, 100K, 150K for the most part. And I don't want to put plans on the homepage because there's over 100 plans. You know, there's 100 and I don't know, like 120 plans or something between all these firms. Something like, maybe that's too much, but there's a lot of plans. It'll get so messy so fast. Yeah, if you want to know how like micro scalping is defined, just go to the firm page that you're interested in. And if they define it in their help section, then I'll put a note below it. So that my fund features didn't, as far as I recall, they didn't have a note. Tradeify did. So Tradeify has a note about micro scalping here. But I just want to know like why you'd want to see like plan sizes on the homepage, because it'll get, in my opinion, I've seen other sites that do that and it's so fucking messy. I can't read shit, you know? And that's the last thing I want. I just want to be really clean, like go from a firm level and then allow and then allow you to compare the actual plans. The reason why they don't like microscoping is because they don't think you can recreate it in a live environment. Well, that's what they say. because they think it's a unrealistic. Maybe you can benefit from like sim fills or something, which I don't think sim fills are usually that good. I mean, in my experience, but yeah. Well, Lucid's website was like taking minutes to load here. Hang on. Okay. So the payout max for the 50K on Lucid for the first 2 payments is $1,500. Then for the next 2 payouts, it's $2,000, and then for the next 2, it's $2,500. You filter by color of the website background. There you go. Would you make your own prop firm if you had the chance? I don't really want to be in the prop firm business. Like, I know they make money hand over fist, but I like trading better. Like, I don't know if I like dealing with all the issues that, I mean, it's not necessarily a walk in the park either, you know? Like, good. I know the good firms, they make buttloads of money, but like, I kind of would rather just sit in my computer and trade. You know what I mean? Like, I'd rather make less money and just have more freedom. It is tempting though, because you know, you see all these firms like, man, I would do it differently if I was running it or whatever. I wouldn't hire the dart champion of the world to be my ambassador, whatever, you know? Like, there's a lot of freaking orders. There's all these large orders hitting. It's a bit nuts. Light mode on PFG is blinding me. Yeah, same, man. I don't use it. If you don't know, there's a light mode. It's so bright. If you're a psychopath, maybe you like that. When I was like making it though, I was like trying to see if it was easier on the comparison chart in a light mode. And I don't know. I don't really like it though. But I think Parshov likes it. He's a freak like that. It's like I got flashbanged. Bro, they literally changed the game doing that. Don't throw shade. It would be nice to have an all-in price compare. Okay. Thank you for mentioning that. Real quick, we'll do another giveaway here soon, but I had the all-in price here on the chart, which is like if you take essentially finding the cheapest plan that firm offers, including the activation fee. So I do it here on the true cost, right? So I think I will add it back to the main page here because I did have it here, and for some reason it disappeared. And so it was a cost to funded was what it was called, and it just calculated like the cheapest way to get funded with that firm. So if you think that's helpful, I will try to add that back. I remember I did run into an issue with it for some reason. There's a nice spike up here. All right, we got some psychopaths in chat who like the light theme. All good. How'd you build prop from Gorilla? I just did I just vibe coded it, man. I don't know how to code. Would be nice if I did. I'd save a lot of time because it you know, as I mentioned before, there's things that take me like 4 hours that someone who knows what they're doing could do in like 20 minutes probably. Yeah, Froggy, you like the true cost on the main page? Yeah, okay. You're up 2,700 on tossed up XFA. How much should I take as my first payout? Really depends. Personally, I might short this. Personally, I would. What would I take as a payout? Hang on one second. Oh, I tend to go by. I tend to go for max payout. almost stopped me out there. Look at that. Came within like a tick of stopping me out. Is it just toying with me? I hate it when it toys with me. All right, almost stopped out here. I'm just looking for, what is this, like 20 something points here on 2 micros. This may come and get me though. I don't really want to raise my stop anymore, so I'll just take the loss. I might raise it like a couple points. Couple points there. It's still very volatile. Oh, looks like I'm about to get stopped out. All right, stopped on that one. Here's a PDL again. Let's see what happens here. Okay, I do want to run another giveaway. Again, it's not going to be the exclamation point gorilla. I'm going to run it a different way, so don't get too excited. Volatility's been crazy. I feel like it's been crazy all week, hasn't it? It's just been a little nutty. Just a little nutty. Join your live stream from a marriage ceremony. Real quick, what's like a good way? I want to grab usernames by keyword. I don't have Nightbot. I don't know if Streamlabs can do it. Can Streamlabs do it? Control F, yes. I feel like there's got to be a way to do it. I just don't know. Would you spend a week in Afghanistan if you got 50 fun accounts? No, dude. I can get 50 fun accounts just by going around begging prop firms. Afghanistan is run by the Taliban right now. Last I checked, I don't want to have anything to do with that. Yo, why not? Afghans, OG. You guys are nuts. Where is this? Excuse me. All right, nice little bounce here. Okay, you're literally 3 ticks away from payout. I don't want to give you advice because I don't want you to lose money. But the way I would do it is small size and then give it a wide stop. But that's just me. And I want you to just be patient. This is a VWAP test right now on ES. I do just want to see here if I can. I'm trying to set up the next giveaway, so everyone just relax here. Yeah, Evan, that was actually sick, man. Very good, dude. It's money in the bank, man. That strategy, very good. The more you guys ask about giveaways, the less I want to do it. I'll be honest with you. We'll do it. I got accounts to give away. I don't want to be on stream all day. We'll do it soon. Just give me a second. I'm trying to find a more interesting way to set it up, if that's okay. We can just do Streamlabs all day, but that's kind of boring. And I'm here for a good time. Just chill. Otherwise, I'm just going to do a members-only stream and give it to members. I have value beyond my codes, okay? Okay, guys? All right, well, let's see. Thank you, Dole Biscuit. I appreciate it. Real one right there. I'm gonna try this long here. I like that buying we had up there. Let's see if we can put in a higher low here and get through VWAP there on ES. Get underneath 400 here. All right, I might just do it in Streamlabs, but you're not going to get the member bonus on this one. And I'll do a spin the wheel. So I'm just going to gather your names through Streamlabs giveaway. And then, yeah, I'll just do it that way. That's like the easiest way I can find. Okay, I'm down 30 bucks. I'm trying to make 255. My target's 285. Profit. My math is good. Something like that. That's all I want there. Just a wee bit. Ooh. Spicy volatility. Have I tried alpha? No, not yet. They're on the list. They're on the list there. Okay. Giveaway is active. Exclamation point gorilla. We'll do a spin the wheel here to pick. Push it, push it. Struggling here. Come on. Pump it, man. What's your problem, NASDAQ? Why being a little bitch? Dude, come on. Are you serious? Want, want. That's out for break even. Just rude. That's just rude. No reason for that. No reason for that at all. Come on. All right. Let's see. In order to do this, well, I have spin the wheel open. I think I'm good there. You guys got 340 left. Might try it again here. I was being a little temperamental. Maybe start with one. Let's see. What are we looking like here? On the 15? Yeah, 15 minute looks good for the bounce. I grab one here. And maybe try to build a little position out if we get the bounce. Oh yeah, Tachyon, I think Evan gave you that membership. All right, added a second here. Out a third here. How do I get modded? What's the criteria? And you gotta be just a staple of the community here. Vicas, nice, man. Made 4,000 across 2 XFAs. Well done, man. Glad to hear it. All right, you guys got less than a minute left to enter the giveaway. Exclamation point gorilla in chat, and then we'll spin the wheel. Retested and rejected VWAP on MES thoughts. Well, I don't chart MES. I look at ES. We did pop above VWAP and back below, just chopping around a little bit. Just a little choppy, that's all. I'm not gonna overanalyze that too much. Just say, you know, higher time frame to me looks all right for the move higher. So just gonna see if that can play out here. All right, 5 seconds left. Get on in there. All right, closed out here. What's a good buffer? Yeah, I mean, 2K buffer seems pretty good to me. I like that. Chat, if you have any opinions on buffers, you can let. I think is that Jasper in chat now? All right, let's see if I can paste from my Mac here. Yeah, 103 people, perfect. All right. Make the spin nice and dramatic. 12 seconds. All right, you guys ready to pick the winner? I'll put the wheel so you can actually see it. How about that? Would that be fun? All right. How do I run this thing? There we go. Winner number 1. Tyler almost won again. Arya plays. You're going to message me on Discord. And I'm going to send you the code. Message me on Discord. And also respond here in the live chat so I know that you are here. Yeah, okay, cool. Message me on Discord, all right? There's a link there from the bot account there. And then I'll send you the stuff. That spin was too fast. I feel like I didn't save my setting here. Let's do 20. We got to build up some hype here. We got to make it exciting. I think I got stopped out on that move lower. Yep. That was nasty little wick there. Minus 306. My daily loss limit for the futures desk eval is minus 400. Send a friend request. Can you send me a message request? We don't gotta be friends, do we? Friends. Yeah, I don't see your friend request. Just send me a message if you can. It's easier. Don't send it to any of the fake Dans. Those are scammers. I was. I literally don't see it right now. Oh, pending. Hang on. Oh, I see you. Okay. Got you there. All right. I got you. Let me send you the code, and then we'll pick another one. GG's, trade well. Let me know if you guys get to pay out on any of these free accounts. It's too late to enter the giveaway. Okay, you can enter the giveaway for another 30 seconds, but we'll spin again. Exclamation point gorilla. If you didn't get to enter, if you already entered the first time, I got you. You don't gotta enter again. It's just if you didn't enter before. Exclamation point gorilla. You got 20 seconds. Crazy how much you can lose just trading 3 micros or less or fewer. It's very, very big moves. Come down to lows. Those are directed funded accounts? No, these are Lucid test accounts we're giving away. Are you talking about, wait, what are you talking about, Guillermo? You're talking about the giveaway, those are Lucid tests. Okay. I opened it for too long now. Right? Wait. Maybe it never opened to begin with. Hang on a second. I don't think, hang on a second. I'm not sure. It's not updating here. Let me refresh this. I'm not sure it got any of the new people in. Oh, here we go. I just had to refresh. We're all good. All right. Let me just do another copy paste thing here. All right, 125 of you. And, well, let's run it. Here we go. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. All right, this might be too long. Oh my gosh, legs it. Looks like it. Is it gonna? No. Oh my gosh, it just passed legs it. That is savage, dude. Oh my gosh. I thought legs it for sure was gonna get it. Digital Nukes, you're the winner. Digital Nukes, let me know you're still here.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
All right, send me a DM, man. On Discord. That is so savage, dude. That slow movement it was doing there at the end. That was so mean. Send me the message on Discord. Let's pick another one. This one's fun. I like the wheel spin now. Yeah, Ethan, I passed you too. I saw that. Trader 808. Blew right by you. Sorry, buddy. Lucas, no. Carlos, no. Scent, maybe. Theon. No. Oh, it did like it did to Legsit. Did the same thing to Theon there. All right, Benda, you're the winner of a Lucid account. Send me a DM on Discord, please, and thank you, and I'll send you your magical code. All right, so who's the first winner? Digital Nukes. I'm waiting on your DM still, and then we have Benda 333. All right, let's pick another one. This is fun. Can you guys hear that sound, by the way? Or is it just on my side? Oh yeah, you can hear it. I see it going. The winner is not money. It's gonna be Vikas. Vikas barely won that one. Ah, dude. Congratulations. You're having an even better week now, dude. Make sure you send me that DM. All right. Before I get too far along, like I want to spin some more, but I also want to make sure that those that won are getting their codes. So please make sure you DM me so I don't get behind. Don't just send me a friend request because it's hard for me to find those. Send me a message request. All right, man. All right, Digital Nukes got his code. We have Benda 3333. Or is Benda here? Make sure you send me a message request. And Vikas, you do the same thing. You'd like to submit an appeal? Let me check with the Supreme Leader. Oh, sorry. Appeal request denied. Yeah, Theon got screwed out of that one too. All right, let's do it again. That was fun. RX, nope. Looks like it's gonna blow by you, buddy. Interfaces, I think it's gonna slide by you. It might be Jacob. Jacob Lynn, R3G. What do you mean appeal denied? Well, Lexit was trying to appeal the spin and I denied it. I mean, the Supreme Leader did. I didn't do shit.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
All right. Should we keep spinning? Is that too crazy to just to keep spinning like this? All right, keep spinning. All right, we'll go. We'll go again. Reminds me of like Conan O'Brien doing the Walker, Texas Ranger lever back in the day. The winner is... oh, almost FFN lover again. FFF lover. Tom. Is it gonna be Tom? Oh, dude, Tom got edged. It's Jana or Yana or Jana. GG's. You want help with your trading? This is just a giveaway stream now, apparently. Tom for top ticked. Yeah. Man, that was such a fucking rude stop out. A double bottom there. It's pretty choppy. We're still in a downtrend. Something to keep in mind before I just go, you know, keep going long here. But still kind of interested in it. I'm still waiting on DMs. Like, I feel like some of you guys aren't DMing me. Yeah, I'm sure you will DM me, Evan. Guys, if you won and you haven't DM'd me in like 2 minutes, I'm giving them to different people. All you gotta do is join the Discord and send me a DM and you get a free account. So it's worth $80-something or whatever. This is a nice little move here. I still like the long. I don't know if I can. Volatility is such that makes it a little tough. ES is coming out of VWAP here. I think we break it. I think Nasdaq gets the VWAP next. I would like to catch that long, but any recommendation on trade copiers? Depends, Ken. Depends on what you're trying to do. I really like Trade Sinker right now. I'll make a video on it. I'll probably do it over the weekend. Actually, I got to do a different video over the weekend. I'll do it next week. It's Thanksgiving week. Well, look, I'll do a video on Trade Sinker in the next 2 weeks. My trading style is discretionary. My advice for a beginner is to learn price action and order flow and ignore just about everything else. All right, I think I'm giving Jana. I'm giving your account away if I don't hear from you in like 30 seconds. Vikas, you were here. Did Vikas leave? Literally, I haven't heard from any of these people except for Digital Nukes. Vikas, send me a thing on Discord. Okay, Vikas, I got your message. Digital Nukes, you're welcome. Trade well. enjoy all that stuff. Thanks for tuning into the stream. Because you're NT trader? NT trader? All right, Jacob Lynn. Jake from State Farm. You're not Steak from Jake Farm, right? Because that's somebody else. Jana, message me on Discord. Quick, claim your account. Claim your account. I don't. You said you already did. What's your Discord name? Because I don't see it. Jana, I don't see it. I want to make sure you get it. Phoenix? Oh, okay. Tell me who you are when you send it, though. Oh, I see. You sent a screenshot. My bad. That's my fault there. I didn't see the thing in the thing. Anyway, I got you. Your code coming in hot. Gonna be there. Okay. So Jana got Vika's got his. I need Jake. Okay, Jacob Lynn's already. Okay, I think everyone messaged me. Oh, except for Benda. Where's Benda? Is Benda in chat? Benda 3333. That's the only person that I don't think claimed theirs yet. Evan, I just saw your DM. That's funny. Okay. Vikas, glad you had such a great week, man. Hey, pay it forward with that good energy, man. Take that with you into the weekend. Make someone's day. Spread the good vibes around, you know. Okay, I don't know where Benda is. Has Benda responded yet? It's kind of hard for me to keep up with chat here. I don't see Benda. Okay, is anybody new who has not joined the wheel spin? If you're already one of the 125 people in here, you do not need to enter. But if you want to enter and you haven't been watching because you found another streamer you like better, yada yada, I will oh, it's not gonna let me resume entries, is it? Hang on a sec. Oh, entries are open. What? That's weird. Okay, well you can enter, I guess. But if you've already entered, if you're one of these names here, you're good. I'm just gonna, you're already good. So, and again, I don't think I've heard from Benda, so I might have to give away Benda's thing. Man, this price action's kind of snotty. That's how I describe it, as just snotty. It's like a freaking teenager, man. We got a double bottom. Do we have a high or low? We'll find out, I guess. Otherwise, below, I would look for overnight lows to get swept there at 900. Not looking so bullish now, is it? I mean, it was looking good for a bounce. I wouldn't say it was looking bullish, but I think that trend line needs to be removed. Yeah, I would say it looks pretty irrelevant right now. I agree. It was fun while it lasted, trend line. Okay. All right, I think we got 143 people in here. I'm going to close the entries now. Again, you know, if you were in the wheel before, you're good. Entries are closed. I'm going to copy all these names now. Hopefully it adds up to 143. Boom, 143. Perfect. But man, why do I want to long that again? Am I crazy? Am I crazy, chat? That higher low looks good. To double bottom higher low, I mean, it looks decent. But I only have $100 drawdown left on this thing. Let's just run another giveaway here while I think about what to do. Story channel, you should be in this, man. Weren't you in it from earlier? Are you not in this? No, you're in this, man. You're still in it. You're right here, see? Right here, real story channel. Almost Eddie, almost Tachyon. Not Arya plays again. Wait, Tyler, didn't you already win? Is this the same Tyler that won before? You can win twice. There's no rules against that. You're gonna if you win fair and square, you win fair and square. That's just life. So is that the same Tyler, man? It's one lucky guy.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't read shit.
Did I miss my long now? Yeah, kind of. I missed it. That was a nice hold of 24K there for double bottom high or low there. I don't know if I have the drawdown to get in because we've been doing these large retracements. And I don't really want to enter right here. This is not location-wise where I want to be long at, you know? Where's Grumpy Pants out on the wheel? I don't know, Grumpy Pants. You're on here though. You're in it. Hard to say where you are on the actual wheel. Oh, we're running it again, I guess. I clicked on it by accident. Let's see what happens. Not Evan. Yo, it's G-Man, not him either. Oh, Trader 808. Trader 808. Don't forget. What stream you like better than TBM's? Don't forget. The one that gave you a Lucid account. TBM can't give you a Lucid account. That'd be a breach of contract. He can't do it. Sorry, G-Man. You and there's a bunch of people who got edged. Trader 808's been around for a long time, but I think he's usually hanging out somewhere else, to be honest. No, there's no beef. I'm just joking around. That was just a sick 100-point move, wasn't it? 24K hold. 128 points in freaking 2 minutes or whatever. So I'm still waiting on a few people here to message me. Otherwise, their accounts are getting given away to other people. I haven't heard from Benda. So Benda's account I'm going to give away. Sorry, Benda. Love you, but I haven't heard from you. You ain't calling. How many counts? Well, let's see. How many do we have to give away? 1, 2. I haven't heard from Tyler yet either. 3, 4. I think I have about 6 accounts left. And if Tyler doesn't respond, then I got another. So Trader 808, shoot me that DM. I'll get you your code. I think I need Tyler to respond. Otherwise, his code is going to be given away. Tyler Marshall, you're going to step up. Will be the honorary Tyler. I'm sad I missed the long, doing a giveaway instead. But hey, that's life. Sometimes you just give accounts away instead of, you know, making money trading. Otan says, I'm Benda. Man, this whole time I've been calling you something else. So many giveaways. I know, man. It's a giveaway stream. I'm glad I made my money early so I can just focus on giving stuff away because it takes a while. Because chat just sometimes doesn't listen. All right, guys. Let's run it again. Let's go. Not Grumpy Pants. There's Grumpy Pants on the wheel. I found Grumpy Pants. Not Jakob. Not V2, because you know why. He calls me other names. Real Story Channel. Edged out. Oh my gosh. It always edges out like a chat regular for someone I'd never heard of. We live to be great. GG's, man. Or woman. Congrats on winning. DM me. DM me. All right, Trader 808. You got yours. I think Tyler's is getting given away. I think Tyler's is a forfeit. Right?
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Hey, at least you know your name's in there if it just edges you out. Yeah, Jose, you were next, man. Oh, man. Let's go. Check out the names I won. Nah, they can win twice. We're just fun like that. Almost Benda again. Oh, money got edged out again for someone I never heard of. Auto, nice. What is Discord group called? It's called Top Tick Trading. Exclamation point Discord and chat if you want to be. It's free if you want to just join. Yeah, no worries. This stream semi-sponsored by Lucid. They're not paying me, but they did give me a shitload of codes to give away, which was really cool. It's fun to do this, fun to give out stuff to people. Yep. Okay, so I still got codes because some people aren't claiming them. I am on a roll I'm on a spin giving these up. That's a bad pun. We'll pretend like I didn't say that. Maybe along down in the 60s or something? I don't know. I don't need to force anything. Let's go. Let's spin again. Let's go. Legs, and I'm sure you are. You're on there, dude. Oh, wait. Are you combined with other people? Maybe it messed up. Now it says 143 entries. Winner is... Oh, edged out. Okay, what happened here? That's our Arnesis that won that. I don't know what this is doing here. Arnesis, you won. I don't know why it's doing like that. We had 143. We had the right amount. I feel like the wheel messed up. Nice, Trader 808. You got the Lucid account activated. Nice. I wish I never found out where my name was. Grizz is right there too. Grizz didn't get it. Turbo's right there. I think I'm gonna just like refresh this guy. I feel like it's being weird. Where do you need me to message? Have you not heard me like the 1,000th times I've said this yet, Arnesis? Discord. You message me on Discord, man. All right, we live to be great. You messaged me. Okay, great. I got you. All right, we live to be great. You're taken care of. Otto, I don't think I got a message from Otto yet. And then Arnesis will get yours. And I'll reset this wheel here. Jim, I just hit Rivers Casino like a month ago for the first time. That was the first time I ever went to casino in Illinois. All right, I'm going to reopen. If you're already in it, don't worry. I got you. If you're one of the 143, you're in. I'm opening up to new people. So if you're one of the 143, you're good. You're still in this. Don't enter again. Waste everyone's time. If you haven't entered yet, exclamation point gorilla. How many accounts left? It just depends if I get DMs by from Auto. And yeah, assuming that's the case, I still have like 4 left because some people didn't claim theirs. Spike up to 200 there. That was a quick 200-point move. Markets are still crazy. That's that much we know. Buddha, you're probably already in there, man. Let me search. I'll search for you. Yeah, Buddha, you're already in, man. You're in from earlier. Says I can't send a direct message. We are not friends. That's your own privacy settings, bro. Because I get DMs from people I'm not friends with all the time. So it's your own settings there. You could post in the top tick thing and tag me, and I'll send you one. I'll send you a message. Excuse me. All right. Did everyone new get in who wanted to get in? I'm still trying to give away more accounts, and it's time consuming. Okay, I'm going to close entries here. Grateful Gold, you might already be in, man. Yeah, you're already in. Don't worry. All right. We got 162 now. I still like longs here. Consolidation above VWAP. I just, it's very, I mean, fast movement and stuff. No ads, please. 162 entries. Perfect. All right. Did this just glitch out? There we go. It's probably rigged. It's not working right. That was weird. There's definitely some rigging going on here. It's glitching out. Okay, that was a glitchy ass spin. It didn't just glitch for you, it glitched for me as well. Kobe YT. GG's, you're the winner. Send me a message on Discord. And you know what I might do? I might just start a fresh batch of names because I think there's people I've left. And it's kind of annoying to just wait a while for someone to respond who's not going to respond, you know? So I might just do a fresh one. Arnesis, did you post yet? Yeah, I post. Okay, got you, Arnesis. Kobe, are you there? If not, I'm giving it away. Just because I'm not gonna be here all day, guys. It's Friday. I'm gonna go start my weekend. I know you don't get the name highlighted when I do spin the wheel, but I'm still talking. All right, I think we have to get a fresh batch of names. Closer we hit 300K. I mean, I already hit 300K, and then they started like purging stuff, so I lost 2,000 or something. Yeah, we'll do it this way. I'm gonna, well, no, I'm just gonna cancel this one. I'm gonna run it again. We're just gonna do a 1 minute entry. You have 1 minute to get in, and we'll run it again. So this is for everybody. I'm starting fresh. I think there's too many people that aren't in here anymore. So starting fresh, fresh batch of names, fresh batch. Better odds, better odds. Let's go. Get in there, chat. I'm sad my long didn't work out. It was just a little too sloppy. And then that higher low was beautiful at 24K, but somebody was too busy spinning a wheel and freaking pay attention. Well, we still got plenty of people here. Okay, raffle's closed, guys. You had 1 minute. That 1 minute is up. Got 84 of you in here. Raffle's closed. Raffle's closed. You guys are late. No bueno. Too late. Francisco, you're the last one in. Are that many people watching on a delay or what? All right. Let's load up these people now. FFF lover, you already won, man. Come on. You already won one. You're good. It's a good Friday, man. Let's run it. Oh, glitchy ass. Man, why is it so fucking glitchy? These intense graphics, man, it's just trashing my computer. Jose, Mr. I'm not winning anything. Did it land on you? Ah, didn't you say you're definitely not winning, Jose? Didn't you say you're definitely not winning like 10 minutes ago? All right, Jose, you know what to do, right? I don't have to say it. Now, luckily, 2 people have not claimed their prize. At least 2, and that's actually more than 2. If you won earlier and you've not messaged me, that's it. Sorry, I'm giving it away to someone else. I'm deleting your name, so I'll never even know about it. Which means I got more accounts to give away. Let me just make sure I don't give away too many. I think we have 1, 2, 3. I think we have 4 more. Okay. I'll open it back up for another 30 seconds. Get in there if you didn't already. I already got the 84 of you. So you don't need to trip if you already. Oh, damn it. Nope, this spin does not count. Don't worry about it. Did not mean to click on it. I was just trying to close the window. Well, really liked longs. Wasn't able to get in there. Okay, I'm gonna close. Who was it? This spin just started. No one won that one. It just started. And it's like a 20-second spin. So that's none of his. None of his. All right. All right, we're starting fresh now. Long it? Honestly, I kind of want to, but I just don't know if I have enough. Should I just long it with one micro here? This movement is so large, even one micro. Just down here, I mean, it's 50 points, but we'll let that run. All right, I gotta close out this. There's too many. I gotta close this out. Last chance to enter. A lot of you guys are already in this. You don't have to enter again. All right, we're closed out. All right. We should have 101 people. Entries 101. Perfect. Here we go. Oh, it's fast spin mode. Dorina, GG's. You win. Message me on Discord. All right, I'm getting tired if you can't tell. Let's change the time. I like it running like 20 seconds, so it's fun. Almost, Grizz. Almost. Charles, almost. Moved on to Hattie. Hattie 7777777. Sorry, I broke there for a second. All right, Tarina, send me a message on Discord. Oh, maybe you already did. Oh, Dorina, you won a Tradify account. Nice. Back in October. All right, hang on. Let me give out these codes and then we'll run the last few spins here. All right, got a couple more here. Let's get through these. Then we'll go enjoy the rest of our days. Hattie77, I don't know if I ever heard from you. Oh wait, I did. Okay, I got you, Hattie. All right, let me get Hattie's code to Hattie. All right, I think we got a couple more here. Let's run it. No way. Jose, you win again, buddy. Now, I'll let you pay it forward if you want. I'll give you the code because there's no rule against winning twice. But if you want to let someone else win, you can say so. Up to you.
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
No rules against winning twice. So Jose, up to you, man. If you want to me to do another spin and give it to someone else, or if you want the code, your choice. He left after everyone's like, he left. Spin again. Yeah, Froggy did almost win. I'm pretty sure he said goodbye. All right, man. Yeah, take it. That's fine. You won fair and square, man. That's it. That's life. But don't worry, we got another one to give away. This should be the last one. There's nothing wrong with taking it. I think you should keep it. You want it. Yeah, we can do a re-entry for the last one here. If you already entered, I got 101 of you. But just in case you're not one of the 101, you can enter real quick, !Gorilla. This is the last one of the day. Unless my math is wrong. No, that's it. Yeah, this is the last one. It's been a fun day. Again, thanks to Lucid Trading for sponsoring the giveaway, of course. They gave me the 20 codes to give away to you guys. It's always fun to have a big batch to give out to the crew here in the chat. So thank you for watching the live stream day in and day out. And those of you that joined for the giveaway, that's fine too. Hopefully you'll come back and hang out with us. It's a very chill stream. There's a lot of great traders in here. A lot of traders are really good here in chat. And it's really low key. You wouldn't know. There's no ego here. And also, while I have you, don't forget, check out Prop from Gorilla, compare plans side by side. So you can pick any plan from any firm listed here and get side by side comparison for the rules and the evaluation, etc. So my long at the highs not really paying off yet. I'll take a max loss here at 175.5 if it comes down there. There's a little bit of ego. Not going to mention any names. Chris. Hey, there's a little push higher. Oh, look at that. Blast off. Large orders hitting the ass there. When do you think price action on MNQ will become more stable? I don't know. Do not tell me that's a 40-point rejection. Yeah, this is Motivwave over here, chat. Motivwave. And this is Project X. So. Okay, everybody in that wants to get in. Sorry, Kobe. You're too late. I had to give away your code. But yeah, if you want to get in for this last one, enter right here. All right, closing in 10 seconds here. If you already got your ticket from earlier, you're in. You don't have to keep entering, guys. All right, we're out. Let's copy and paste. We have 124 of you. Man, I cannot believe that ugly ass rejection there. 124. Boom, we match. Okay, copy and paste is working awesome. All right, after all of this, it all comes down to this spin. It's gonna be an extra long spin. Let's do a 45-second spin. Here we go. So chat, how's your day going? What's going on? What'd you get for breakfast? What's up, Blue Hand? How you doing, man? Good day today for me. Very fast trades. Decent money. Admit you got edged out, dude. You've been wanting this more than anybody. Oh my gosh, how savage. Sir Sammy?
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Sammy, GG's, man. You're the last winner of the day. So close, Admit. So close. Sammy, DM me on Discord. I'll send you the code. Oh, that was fun. Honestly, believe it or not, it feels a little exhausting giving away so many freaking accounts. It was a fun little blast off there. So 704 on 5 Lucid Pro accounts. I need 2 more green days, and ideally, well above the $2,100 buffer, and then I can get a decent payout. And then Tick Trader. I think Tick. How many buckaroos was that? Like 200. I think it was like 250 on 10 Tick accounts. Yeah, Luhan, I gave away all of them. Kobe, like I said, it's too late, man. I had to give away the account. It was like 20 minutes later. Sorry. We gotta stick around and be here. So Sammy, you're here. You know what? I think I gave away 21 by accident. I think KZ Advisory got screwed over here. I'm gonna have to ask them for another code. How's my long doing? Oh, very nice. $100 on a micro. 1 micro there. Sir Sammy, send me a DM on Discord. KZ Advisory. I'm gonna have to ask them for another code. I think I might have given away too many. It's really hard. Like I said, I could use an assistant to keep track of all this. So sorry about that. I'll get it sorted for you though. It might make sense to take profit here. Coming into these highs of session. All right, I'll take profit there. Down $200 though. We'll see if there's any other opportunity that comes up. 1 hour supply. KZ Advisory will be in touch via Discord, and I'll get you your code. Sorry for the mix-up there. But all of you, thank you so much for tuning in this week. Hope you had a good week. And promo code for Lucid is Gorilla. 40% off, I think, is their main deal. Code Gorilla will get you that 40% off and help support the channel and the website. Much love to you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good weekend. I'll see you guys next week for our Monday stream. Take care.